A security group acts as a virtual firewall for controlling inbound and outbound traffic to AWS resources, such as EC2 instances, RDS databases, and ELB load balancers. It serves as a first line of defense in protecting your AWS infrastructure. Security groups are associated with individual AWS resources within a virtual private cloud, VPC. Each instance can be associated with one or more security groups, allowing for granular control over network access. Inbound rules define the types of incoming traffic allowed to reach the instances associated with the security group. These rules specify protocols, port ranges, and source IP addresses or other security groups. Outbound rules specify the types of outgoing traffic allowed from the instances. Similar to inbound rules, outbound rules define protocols, port ranges, and destination IP addresses or security groups. When you launch instances in a VPC without specifying a security group, AWS automatically associates them with a default security group. This default security group allows all outbound traffic and denies all inbound traffic by default. Security groups support dynamic updates, allowing you to modify rules in real time without interrupting instance connectivity. Changes to security group rules take effect immediately, ensuring minimal disruption to your AWS environment. Few points to note. 1. We can define, allow, rules in security groups. 2. We can attach multiple security groups to one EC2 instance. 3. Same security group can be attached to multiple instances. Security groups are stateful, meaning they automatically allow return traffic initiated from instances within the security group. This simplifies configuration and ensures that response traffic is permitted without additional rules. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.